Never give up on a dream just because of the time it will take to accomplish it. The time will pass anyway. Your world is a living expression of how you are using and have used your mind. Whatever we plant in our subconscious mind and nourish with repetition and emotion will one day become reality. Our attitude toward life determines life's attitude towards us. Success is the progressive realization of a worthy goal or ideal. A great attitude does much more than turn on the lights in our worlds. It seems to magically connect us to all sorts of serendipitous opportunities that were somehow absent before we changed. The more intensely we feel about an idea or a goal, the more assuredly the idea, buried deep in our subconscious, will direct us along the path to its fulfillment. By being persistent, you're demonstrating faith. Persistence is simply another word for faith. If you didn't have faith, you'd never persist. Creativity is a natural extension of our enthusiasm.